This is the Vent-Axia low carbon Svara, a fan that can be set up, controlled and adjusted using the Vent-Axia Connect app. Once downloaded, simply open and select Svara to see the menu as you see here. There's a manual boost button to increase the fan to full speed of 30 litres per second for 15 minutes that can simply be turned on and off. You can turn all of the sensors off, and when they're turned on, the fan will continuously scan the room for people entering and for increased humidity levels. It comes with factory presets of 10 litres per second on trickle speed, 19 litres per second on the light sensor, and 26 litres per second on the humidity sensor, all of which can be adjusted by selecting each of them individually. We also have silent hours function, which will keep the fan on trickle speed and prevent the fan from boosting between the preset hours. This is set from 11 o'clock at night to 6 in the morning. It also has an automatic cycle function to allow you to run the fan at full power for 30, 60 or 90 minutes every 12 hours for periods of when the house is shut up.